You've got to be kidding me. Now what am I supposed to do? Oh, he's a happy bear, happy bear, happy bear. Oh, he's a happy bear, this is okay. So, Pebbles, how have you been?
What do you care?
I don't know, it's just a question. God. So you're a penguin, eh?
No shit, Sherlock.
Why would you say that to me? I don't give you anything but love, Pebbles, love! What am I doing? You're a stuffed penguin.
My spine!
Let's see. Oh my god! The dictionary. Let's see. Chapter 1. Oh my god, this bit's so tense. The end. What a complete and utter waste of my time. On the good ship, lollipop, it's a short trip to the candy shop, la la la. Let's see what's on the TV. A blue screen. Interesting. Is this all that's on?
The South American freshwater fish that kills its prey using its own supply of energy is called a what? Electric eel or solar salmon?
The salmon.
Electric eel.
Correct.
God damn it.
The opening titles of a 1970s TV cartoon series, the alter ego of Hong Kong Phooey, is described as Henry the Mild-Mannered what?
Blue?
Frog.
Janitor. David, in psychology, what G is the name of the analysis and study of handwriting as a guide to personality traits?
Genealogy.
Graphology.
No more, please. My brain will explode. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. God, I hate that song. There's nothing for it. I don't ask you many favours, and in this current time, in this current weather, I have no choice.
So, let's play a game, eh? How's you going to play me? I've got something really extra special we can play with.
Like what?
Barbies!
close one.
Come play with us, Fiona. Come play.
No, the Barbies everywhere. Oh, the doodle candles, the cut up hair. No, the Barbies. Oh, it was all a dream.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird.